say the place where they call Osru, as we dey talk right now, no be small thing o. They say small gbege dey for that area. As we dey talk, no be small yata yata. My people, this information is coming this morning. Biafra Liberation Army don come outside o, come give update say see wetin dey happen for that area. Anybody wey dey waka, make you know how e go take waka enter inside Olu side. My people, no be small thing o. We go check how this thing take dey happen for that area. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. Today na the first time we dey come across this wonderful channel. You are highly welcome. We see there they bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. No be small thing o. Mo waka enter inside Oluna, go find out wetin dey happen for that area. They say that this Biafra Liberation Army don come outside, come give update say since yesterday, say many house don go as we dey talk by Hope Uzodinma with the insecurity men dem. They say they enter inside Olu with the new color wey they purchase, but we will do that video. May you hear how they take run that one. My people, let's go and watch this video, and before we go come back, come continue.
Good morning, wonderful people of Biafra. Please tell your loved one to stay clear to Olu. Tell them to stay clear from Olu. And as I said early this morning, as I earlier stated early this morning, the war is still going on in Olu. The war is still going on in Olu. Tell your loved one to relocate and to leave their house and go inside bush. Leave their house and go inside bush. They are falling. They are falling. The uninvited visitors, the terrorists that came to the land of Biafra to buy us, they are losing. Tell your loved one to leave house and enter bush. No movement. Nobody should go anywhere. Nobody should go anywhere. Nobody should go anywhere. They are ready to kill then see for the investigation of their member. They are falling. You hear me? So pass this message across for those of you who have your loved one in Osru. They have come, as I've told them, that we are aware that the UK have given them the latest, in fact, the modern weapon of war, and I've come with them to try their best, their final best. And so therefore, not knowing that the ground have already prepared for them. This war started since 12 o'clock midnight, and believe you me, it's still going on right now. And they are falling. They are falling. They will keep falling, and they will keep falling till the day Biafra will be declared and fight the final fight and won the fight. As I told them, at the end of this war, Biafra is the end point. Biafra will be emerged. They are wasting their time and they are wasting their lives. We were prepared for this. Those of you who are good in prayer, pray for the men on ground. Put on your white candle for the white angel to protect us. Put on the red candle for the angel to destroy our enemy. And pray the simple prayer. Those who you have sent, that they may deliver the black race, that they may save the humanity from the Islamic State and the destruction, those who doesn't value life. Those men that you send, that they may protect the land and the lives of your children. May you stand to them and guide them and protect them and save them, that they may fight this holy war till the end. Pray that simple prayer and leave the rest for Chukwu Kikabiama. He have never leave us alone. He have never failed us, and he will never fail us. That is just what I want to inform you this morning. The war is still going on. When the war finish, I will still come online to update you. But for now, if you have anybody who want to make a journey into Osru or Osru, tell the person to postpone. And those of us who have already in Osru, please, and go inside bush. In the bush, you are safe. In your house, you are not safe, because as they are falling, they are breaking people, eating them, see. Killing anything, even kill rich dog and fowl, thinking that is human being. That is how bad the situation is right now. But out of many of them that come, I've told them, the more they come, the more they will fall. The harder they try, the harder they will fall. Today is Nkwo. The spirit of Nkwo of Biafra land have already taken. So shall it be forever and ever. No peace for them. They will never see rest, and they will never rest. They will never see peace. Yes. Waiting person sow, na in they reap. Now then carry death come. Now them they die. Because as I told them, that we have died before, and we cannot die again. And in this land of Biafra, we go nowhere. Because it is the land of our ancestors. It is our right to hand over this life to our children and our children unborn. So nobody, no human being can take it away from us. So therefore, we are fully ready for them. But what I'm not seeing them, that have thrown so far, so bomb, I've thrown 3 bombs so far, I'm not seeing their fighter jet. I wonder why they are not coming with fighter jet. But I've come with all the latest technology to try their best. Do you understand what I'm saying? The ammo tanker they came with is more than 30. With the one that get 4 nozzle. But the question is, can you defeat the spirit? It's a very simple question. Those things you have been throwing, do you see anybody? The firing you have been firing, do you see anybody? What is killing you is greater than you. So therefore, we are the children of the soil, and we go nowhere. Wait for my return. Right now, I am going to say goodbye from now until I return back to give you update. Maybe probably in the evening or anytime this war ended for today. Stay tuned and stay blessed.
Yeah, my wonderful people. Don't be smarty, no. As you don't watch you don't hear wetin talk for this video regarding wetin dey happen for inside Olo as we dey talk right now. Those of you wey dey for this place wey they call Osumo near Umuhokabia side for inside that area, wanna know how una go take do una waka waka for inside that place, because we dey here to dey bring you update of wetin dey happen. That's why we dey tell you that information na be the key. E better make you get information before they go tell you say na lie o, na so they talk o, na propaganda, na this one o. But may you get the information and know how you go take waka. We no dey bring our information make you dey fear, but may you use am take know how you want to put your leg as you dey waka, and na so you be. So wetin you go do na to share this video so that other people go still dey away, so that even though they go that area, they know how they want to put their head. But the information they already pass now for you to know the one way you want to do. So many things will can happen. Now you can decide. My people, no be smart, you know. As we dey talk now, the information what we see they get be say the Yorubas are preparing for very good soup for Nigeria. But however, no parts for inside the country trust them again, because the things wey they do, if they come outside come shout, they call them, give them money, case don't close. So this is not matter of collecting something, putting for pocket. Now who they suffer am? Not be me and you. So I wish every tribe will rise up for inside this country so that we make things right. The people wey hold this country, not be us, now outsiders. and then come hold this contract. Me and you dey suffer put inside. If your brother talk come outside say see wetin dey happen, they go say no be na lie, no mind am. Na Igbo people, na Yoruba people, na Hausa people. But who dey suffer am now? Igbo dey suffer am, Hausa dey suffer am, Yoruba dey suffer am. You sef wey dey talk, you still dey suffer am. So however my people, na so e be for this morning. I will say more update, quickly update una, make una know wetin dey happen. Share the video and make sure say you dey follow this page for more updates as e dey hot. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.